Hello and welcome to my channel. I hope everyone out there is doing fantastic today. So for today's video, guys, I'm doing a quick review and swatches of the new e.l.f. Glow Beam highlighter palettes. Now they actually have two of these. They are in the color dark and light, and this one is the dark one, and this one is the light one. Now for my complexion, I could probably get away with some of the shades from both, but if I had to choose one, I probably would have just gotten the dark one. But I wanted to get both so that we could just do swatches from both palettes, and hopefully it'll give you an idea of what might work for you if you're interested in these palettes. Now they do retail for $10 a piece, which for 6 highlighters I thought was pretty good. And each palette has a glitter shade, 2 shimmer shades, and 3 metallic shades, which are supposed to give you that blinding glow. So the bottom layer here are the 3 metallics. The first one is the glitter, and then you have the 2 shimmers, and that is the same in each palette, except that one palette is a little darker than the first palette. Now obviously I don't have enough room on my face to try on 12 highlighters, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to actually swatch them right across here and see if that works. We'll try that. If that doesn't work, I'll do them on my arm. Okay, we're going to start with the light palette, if I can get this puppy open. Okay, and that's what it looks like with the top off, or with the top open. Okay, and I'm going to start with the glitter shade, the 2 shimmers, and then I'll go down that way. So let's see. And then we have that's not bad. That's one. Metallics, that one. Okay, but bear with me 2 seconds, and I'm gonna and like I said, consider as well for me that I'm a little bit darker, and this is the light palette. So this is the glitter, that is the first shimmer, the second shimmer, the first metallic, second metallic, and the third metallic. Now I look at them, and believe it or not, I think that out of all of them, I like this third, the third one in the palette here, which is a shimmer. So that was those. And this would definitely, you know, look great on somebody who is lighter complected. And like I said, I can get away with a few of these as well. And I don't know how it would be with someone much darker than me, to be quite honest. But it really is a personal preference, because some people, you know, everybody likes different things and how different things look on them. So that's just some swatches for you to see. Again, that's what that looks like. Now the next one I'm going to try to swatch on my arm, and then I'll put a couple of colors on my face. Now this is the dark one. Show it to you again real quick. Let's pop this open. These are really pretty colors. And then again, you have your glitter, your shimmers, and then the 3 metallics. All right, let's try these on my arm. Okay, now I did those on my arm, and you're not gonna really be, I can barely see it. I can see just a little bit of glitter. That is the glitter one right there. And it's like a goldish glitter. And these are the 2 shimmers. And then these are the 3 metallics. Now they don't, it's crazy as this sounds, it almost seems like the first palette, I guess they are slightly different. I was gonna say it's swatched a little better to me, but it just might be location too. All right, what do I wanna try? Let's just try anything. Hey, let's see. I'm gonna take a little bit of this glitter, even though I really don't wanna apply. I only have one brush with me, so we're gonna work with this, my one highlighter brush. Now, I'm gonna stick that up here. I know this brush is super big, but I just wanna see what it does. It's just glitter. Yeah, it's just glittery. I don't love it or hate it. You know what I'm saying? It's just one of those things that would probably, well, I guess they do say that though. In all fairness, on the back of this, it does say the glitter shade is really used to go over top of the other shades. So take that into consideration. I just put this on alone. But maybe we'll try it. We'll do another highlight real quick, and we'll try it. We'll try that like shade right there. I'm just gonna put it on my cheek. I had put some highlighter on earlier, but I've been filming and stuff, and I don't feel like there's too much left on my face. These lights have me melting. I'm oily enough as is, but I promise you, under these lights, the struggle is super real. All right, it's maybe a little darker than I would like. I don't know. Let's see. Let's check it out. Can you guys see that? Oh, not bad, not bad. All right. All right. You see that? All right, I see it. I definitely see it. All right, and that was a metallic. Now you saw how it looked without it. I'm gonna put, I know that it's made for the, but we're gonna put the shimmer on the other side. Let's see, and that's the third one in the palette. Let me see what that does. I can see that as well. All right, this color is kind of nice. All right. But now what I'm gonna do just to test it out, I don't know if I wanna use the brush. I'm gonna see how the glitter looks over top of that. After this video, I'm going to wash my face anyway, since this is my last video for the day, so why not play, right? Get a little messy. All right. All right, you can see the little glitter. When you put it on top, it gives a little sparkle, a little more sparkle. So it definitely looks better, the glitter shade, than just popped up here. Or if you wanted to pop it in your, on your brow bone, I would probably put one of the highlighters first and then just throw a little bit of glitter over it. Okay, so that was 2 of the shades. 1 shimmer, 1 metallic. I'm gonna go ahead and put this middle metallic one here. Let's pop it right on my nose. Might be a little dark. Actually, I'm gonna put it on my chin. Let's put it right there. Doesn't do too much. Yeah, I guess it gives a little glow when I'm looking in the camera, but in the mirror, not so much. I'm gonna take this little one right here, the middle one, and I'm gonna stick it on my finger, the other shimmer, and I'm gonna put it right on the tip of my nose. Oh God, that's bright. Hold on. Put a little bit right there. Now take into consideration, I'm not doing much blending. Like I told you guys, I'm pretty much done for the, all right, I got a little highlight. I see you beaming there. All right. Okay. And the last color that I haven't tried is this. And what I'm gonna do is I'm literally gonna stick it right up under the other one because I don't really have anywhere else I wanna put that right now just to try it out. Maybe it's my light or what have you, because I'm not, all right, I see a little bit. All right, let's put a little bit more. See what I see. Okay, it's a little darker. All right. See that? All right, so that's all 6 of the colors I put on my face somehow from the dark palette. And again, these are all of the light palettes swatched here across my chest. Actually, for $10, I think this is a really good deal. The colors are really pretty. They apply pretty smoothly. Like I said, the glitter is a little chunky, but it is a glitter, and that's what it's supposed to do. It's meant to go over top of the other ones. And like with this palette, like I said, depending on the look I'm doing, I can use them. I'd probably use the metallics on the bottom a little bit more since they are a little darker, but both palettes are absolutely beautiful. And I don't think that you could go wrong for $10. Like, you know, e.l.f. has some really great and inexpensive products, and this new highlighter palette, in my opinion, is worth the $10. Anyway, guys, that's all I have. I just wanted to give you guys some quick swatches and my thoughts on these new palettes. Would I buy them again? Absolutely. Would I recommend them? Absolutely. I think for 2 palettes for $20 or 1 for $10, just whatever you decide to buy for yourself is going to be well worth it and will be a nice addition to your makeup collection. Anyway, guys, that's all I have. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you would take 2 seconds before you leave and hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you'll know when I upload new content, and hit that like button, I would definitely appreciate it. And until next time, guys, have a fantastic day. Bye.